how to make teams in Roblox Studio. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will exactly show you on how you can do this. Now basically, first things first, we are inside the Roblox Studio right here, and you need to have two tabs open on your Roblox Studio. The first thing is the categories that we have right here, or the toolbox, and the second, we need to have our Explorer open up. Basically from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on view, and you want to make sure that the Explorer and toolbox is opened up. Right after that, you want to go ahead and add your own spawners right here. In my case, I'll just have two of them. You can go ahead and add them by dragging this icon on the game studio itself, and right after, you can now go ahead and see all of these properties on our game. You can go ahead and change the name of these properties if you want to, but basically if you want to create a team, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on a spawner. You want to scroll all the way down, and from here you want to navigate through themes. From here you want to disable the neutral theme option, and from here we can then go ahead and change the color of the theme. Now let's go ahead and make this theme color dark blue, and basically all you have to do is to go ahead and select the colors of the theme, and in that way you will be able to make a theme here on Roblox. You can just go ahead and edit this the way you want to depending on the theme itself, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.